So why to risk it? Human life has worth, and some people, without knowing that it may harm their life, they still risk it for small things. Let me show you a small effort towards saving a precious life, your precious life. So you may think, what is this small device doing in my hands? What it does? So it does a lot. Whenever there is a gas leak in a situation, in a house, in a society, you don't have an option to just skip it or to ignore it. You have to go inside and find out where the problem is, where the leak is, in order to protect your house. So is it viable to you physically going there? Or let me give another example. A land full of mines, a soldier has to cross it. Is it viable enough for him to physically cross the land, which may eventually cause life-threatening or sometimes death? No. This small device with the camera inbuilt may help you not only locate the problem but also sometimes fix it. Now I will call upon the stage my team member Nilesh Kumar Chaudhary to explain the system architecture of multitasking helping robot.
Good morning. Myself Nilesh Chaudhary. I am here to introduce about the system architecture of the model. Our model consists of the ESP32 CAM module, L298N motor driver shield, a pair of lithium-ion batteries, and 4 TT gear motors. In this IO 12 pins of the ESP32 CAM module is connected to the IO both enable and enable B pins of the motor driver shield, which is used for controlling the speed of the motor. And IO 13 pin is connected to the IO 1 pin, IO 15 pin is connected to the IO 2 pin, and IO 14 pin is connected to the IO 3 pin of the motor driver shield, and IO 2 pin is connected to the IO 4 pin of the motor driver shield, which is used as the light in here. That's all about the system architecture. The rest part will be discussed by my fellow team member.
Good morning everyone, I am Gautam Shankar and I am discussing about the basic working of the multitasking cover. So, whenever we turn on this DC switch, due to the lithium ion battery, the power will go through the ESP camera module, which has an inbuilt microcontroller chip. And this ESP camera module is connected through the motor driver shield, and this motor driver shield is connected through the 4 TT gear motors and wheels, so that these wheels are get equally power distribution. So whenever we give the power to the ESP camera module, it generates its own web server and hotspot, so that we can connect to our smartphone devices. And we also made a smartphone website which is looking like this. This server has a forward button, backward button, left and right, and there is a screen also, and we can control the intensity of the light and speed of the wheels. So whatever the scenario is captured by this ESP camera module, it can be live, so that we can get a live footage from this screen. And whatever the instruction we give from this smartphone, like we have to move this vehicle to the forward direction, I give this instruction. Then this instruction is going through the ESP camera module, and there is a microcontroller chip, and it processes this signal and it will give the signal to the motor driver shield, so that motor driver shield allows the wheels to go further forward direction or either backward direction or left or right. So overall this is the basic working of this our module. So now further topics are discussed by our fellow team members. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Tanju Priya. I am here to explain hardware components used by us in our model. The first component which I would like to introduce to you is ESP32 CAM. It is used to create its own hotspot which will be used to do live streaming. It has an inbuilt microcontroller which is known as Node MCU, which will be used to control the actions of wheels. The second component which I would like to tell you is L298N. It is a motor driver shield. We have used this particular motor driver shield because it is easy to connect with microcontrollers. The rest of the components would be explained by my fellow team.
So, hello, my name is Mohammad Asif Iqbal and I am here to explain the rest of the components in our project. So, first I will continue from this side. This is PT gear motor. You can see 4 of them. Actually, these motors we have used because they are very cost effective and its ratio is very good, around 1:48. So, this all the 4 connected to respective wheels, and the wheel size is around 8 cm and its width is 3 cm. And next component I would like to introduce is lithium-ion battery. Around it will supply around 8 volts, which is actually sufficient for the development of the 4 wheels. And another component you can see over here is this switch, DC switch. This normal working is on and off the circuit, and jumping wires, and hence we have completed the component section. Thank you.
Thank you.